Dirty heating pipes, corrosion, pitting. Inefficient heating has many causes. Gases and sludge in the pipes reduce the energy flow, cause costs, destroy the pipes and damage the entire heating system in the long run. Gases get to the system not only after maintenance work. Gases are naturally dissolved in water. They can also be a result of chemical reactions. Since gases enter the system not only during maintenance, getting a gas-free medium is a challenge. And the effects caused by the gases are not just increased costs. Reduction of the water flow forces to increase the parameters of the heat source. The temperature on the lower floors is then too high. Pipe vibrations, noise and hum, the result of gas bubbles and turbulent flow, really disturb residents. The heat does not reach the upper floors. Residents are freezing, even though the heating is set to full power. This is the result of worsened heat transfer. All residents are affected by the problem. Living quality decreases and costs increase. In this situation, a service company is usually called. In order to help the residents, the serviceman removes air through vents, increases again the operating parameters of the boiler and the flow rate on the circulation pump. He refills water into the system and balances the valves. But does that solve the problem permanently? No heating system is 100% airtight. Gas always gets into the system and the problems reappear after a short time. How to find a solution? How to eliminate factors that harm the installation in order to make it work properly. The gases can be discharged from the system by means of a vent, but gases dissolved in the water remain. The venting only works with a fully filled system and does not work automatically. Vacuum spray tube degassing is a comprehensive solution. Its effectiveness results from the process of spraying the medium in a vacuum, so that both air bubbles and dissolved gases are removed, both in the system and makeup water, and the process is carried out automatically and at any time. This is how we create an optimal heating system with vacuum spray tube degassing station Servitech. The cold on the upper floors and the heat on the lower floors, the noise and disturbance, the high energy consumption, all problems are solved. Ask our Reflex technical advisors about the proper Servitech solution for your system.